Hey guys, got up to Williamsport on the river fishing again. The bait was pretty slow. Caught a little bit in the morning, but we didn't end up catching that many fish. But we did get some good ones here. I was fishing with Mike, and hope you guys enjoyed this. Not real long video, but just showing you what we caught. I think that with the water warming up from those 80-degree days 2 weeks ago and then dropping down into the 20s this week, might have them still in a kind of slow bite, but I think it should be getting good pretty soon here.
Need the net?
Just fighting tough. He's acting like he's tough.
Oh yeah.
These smallmouth fight like they're not like a largemouth that's like, oh, you got me, I give up.
Yeah.
I think he's a 2-pounder.
I've been pretty. I guess I just haven't fished. I've been fishing my whole life. I've never really gotten a hook in my hand. You know, they poke me, but I've never had one. There you go, in my hand. Little fella.
Your average. Like 15-incher there. 2-pounder. I think it's 2-pounder. This is pretty much your average fish here.
Yeah.
Down there, your average, below the dam, your average fish is probably a 3, 3.5. 2.25.
I think what might be helping me with this jig versus that Ned is that the Ned heads weren't heavy enough, so I wasn't actually contacting bottom a whole lot.
What weight were they?
You know, it's been a minute since I opened the package. I don't remember. They're the Strike King. They were Strike King tournaments.
I use a lot of times on the river. I use it 8,000.
Yeah.
Not bad. I don't think so. Being a little too.
There you go.
Average.
A fish though.
It's your average ones. It's fun catching them.
Yep.
Thing is, you can catch 4 or 5 pounders in here. It's just not as many 4 or 5 pounders up here in Williamsport as there is down below.
Yeah. You ever watch any of the Bill Dance outdoor videos?
Yeah, I love his
I hate watching him fish though. He's so slow.
Yeah.
I think he probably does it for the camera, right?
That's a nicer one.
Yeah.
That's what I was saying. I can't believe we weren't catching any off of that wall. Yeah, that's a good one. That's nice and fatty.
I'll add to your footage.
There you go.
Sweet. Here's a healthy one. Healthy little feller. Probably 2 2.25.
Yeah, somewhere in there.
All right.
It's up.
There we go. Get one hooked in finally.
Yep.
Good. Break that spell.
Huh?
So we got to break that spell.
They are over here. There is times where they're not over here.
Got that stick pile coming up. Tell your friends.
Tell them we'll put you right back.
Yeah. We just want to visit with you for a second.
Like
Oh, hang on. Ah, man, why do I keep getting hung up?
I like Brandon
you're not hung up.
videos too. Oh, sorry.
No, you're good. You catch the fish.
Look at this sucker.
He is fat in the middle.
He is a weird shape.
That's what you call a football. That's the football definition right there.
This is like what you would. What the heck? This is like what you would catch in Ontario, but they're a lot longer.
Yeah.
That is such a weird fish. What the
So
heck?
funny looking.
It's like
a
he's
midget.
Yeah. Yeah, like he didn't grow.
Pretty good ways.
Pretty deep too. I gotta take a picture. Holy crap, that's it.
And once again, I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and if you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button so I can make more videos. Also, it'll notify you when I get more videos up. I appreciate it, and until next time, I'll see you guys.